Welcome to the Kusto Query Language from Scratch course. Scalar operators is the topic of this module. I'm Robert Kane, and I'll be your host for this course. In this module, we'll look at Kusto scalar operators. Scalar operators provide the ability to manipulate data, for example, reformat a date, determine the start of a day or month, and more. In addition, you'll be able to alter strings or combine string fields to create a new one. These also include logical operators allowing for if-then style logic. For your reference, here's a list of keywords we'll be covering in this module. Each keyword will be in a clip of its own for easy reference in the future, should you wish to return and refresh yourself on a specific operator. Some may not consider print to be, in the strictest sense, a scalar operator. However, it is so incredibly useful when working with scalar operators, we've decided to include it in this section. Print is very straightforward. You simply use print and give it whatever it is you want to print. And when I execute this query, in the result area, it simply gives back what I asked for, print hello world. Now, more commonly, you will use print to print out calculations. For example, here I'm going to print out 11 times 3, which of course gives us the result of 33. You can use print as either a debugging tool or a development tool so that as you are creating new calculated values or testing out functions that you want to use with your queries, you can print out the results and ensure that you are getting what you expect. You can also rename the output. You can see in the header, we simply have print underbar 0, not the nicest looking header, so we can actually come here and we can give it a much better name. Here you can see I have renamed my column to the answer to life, the universe, and everything, and I'm giving it a result of 42. Now is a useful but simple function that returns the current date and time. When I execute this, you can see I get back the current date, May 22nd, 2018, as I record this. Note the UTC on the time column header. UTC is an abbreviation for Universal Time Coordinate. Others also refer to this as GMT or Greenwich Mean Time. Many international businesses use UTC to record the date and time of a transaction. Amateur radio operators use UTC to record the time of an exchange with another ham radio operator. In Azure, the logs all use UTC time to record when an entry was made into one of the logs. We'll see how useful now can be later in this module when we discuss date-time arithmetic.